Hi guys, good morning. So I was supposed to drop this video early today, but I just woke up. I woke up late, so let's get straight to it. So I said I'm gonna be doing like showing you items that you can use to get a glowing skin at home. Yeah, so let's get right into it. Number one, we're going to be using baking soda. Baking soda is good for so many skin issues. It's good for acne, it's good for blemishes. It takes care of those people that have large enlarged pores, like holes, people that have holes in your face. Like, it does a wonderful job in taking care of it over time. Then glowing skin, if you have an oily skin, baking soda should be your best friend. You should use it quite often. If it's not every day, but 2 or 3 times a week won't hurt you. Then it's also good for rashes. It's also good for mole. If you're having the mole or tags on skin, baking soda is very effective. It's very effective for glowing different things. But today we're going to be majoring on glowing skin and acne prone skin. Like me, I have an acne prone skin, but I take care of my skin. I maintain my skin. These are kind of things that you use for maintenance. Not that it can't really do the good products help to eradicate it and all, but all these little DIYs here and there helps to maintain your skin. Even though it doesn't do all the work, but it goes a long way to put your skin together. So we're gonna be starting. Then I'm gonna be using baking soda, then turmeric. Turmeric can be gotten everywhere. Turmeric, wherever they sell spices, they sell turmeric. Turmeric is not difficult to come by in your supermarket, wherever. So I'm using turmeric powder, a small quantity. But if you can't get the powder, you can get the raw one. This is what the raw one looks like. Yeah, something like this. Wherever they sell spices, or they sell garlic, ginger, they sell it. You might not know, but they sell it. So turmeric is everywhere. Whenever they sell spices or any supermarket, just ask for turmeric, and it's very cheap. It's inexpensive. I got this one for about 50 or 100 naira, so I'm using just a portion of it. This one is about 250, and it will last you for a very long time. You even pray that it does not expire in your hands. That's for that. And turmeric is very good for lightening, it's very good for glowing, it's good for spots, it's a very good DIY for skin blemishes. It's multi-purpose. Then we're going to be using lime. I prefer to use lime because lime is very good for acne prone skin. If you have acne prone skin, lime can help you maintain your skin. So people prefer to use lemon, but I have a tough skin. I have more skin, so lime is stronger and better for me. But if you have a sensitive skin, you would want to use maybe lemon. You can mix your lime with orange, but they all have vitamin C, but lime has stronger effect for me. So let's get to it. I think I'm going to mix this up. My 2 tablespoons of turmeric, I'm going to add it here, you can see. Then my baking soda, one tablespoon. Yeah, 1 tablespoon. Then I'm going to cut my lime. And squeeze the juice in it. You can see it's already foaming, but don't fret. That's how it's supposed to be. Do not fret. I wish you can see it because it's foaming. because of the soda bicarbonate in it, is really having that fizzy, making that fizzy sound. Yeah, you can see it clearly. Good. Like when you open Coke, that sounds, that's what it's making. So once it makes that sound, do not fret. That's how it's supposed to be. First on the other one, lime and the baking soda, it will really help. So I'm going to mix it. It's really easy. You can see it's really foamy. Okay. Then naturally I use rose water because I want something that I can do at home easily. I'm going to be using water, just normal water. There's already liquid. I use like 1 tablespoon of water, and this is enough for 3 times use. So you can see how cheap it is, how cheap and easily available these things are. They're not expensive. You don't have to break the bank to maintain your skin. These things are good for maintenance. Yes, DIYs work, but for maintaining, that's why people miss it. People say, when I use DIY it not clear it. Yeah, get good products, then use all this for maintenance. We can just sit at home and do. Like today is Saturday now, you should be able to just sit at home and pamper your skin. So I'm going to be using an old brush, not my old makeup brushes. Then mix the paste on my face. I don't like using my hands, but I don't like using my hands because it's going to smear everywhere. You know, turmeric stains a lot, so I'm just going to be using an old makeup brush. If you have already makeup brush that you're not using again, I think you should root it out and use it for all your DIY mix. So pretty much this is how I maintain my face. Like during the weekends, you can do this. And another thing again, when you're using especially lime, don't use it. So I just finished washing my face. My face feels softer and it feels definitely smoother. Yeah, it feels softer. So these are the little ways that you can help yourself. Little ways that you can take care of your skin. It feels so soft. Ooh. My face feels softer, smoother. That's after that. I'm going to use a face cream to, so we are applying the face cream to moisturize and hydrate the face, because this mask kind of dries out the skin, so we don't want a dry skin. A dry skin brings more breakouts. So we're gonna use our face cream to moisturize and seal up because my pores are open now after using the mask. So once your pores are open, different things can enter, so it's advisable you use day face cream. I'm not even saying it well, to protect your face, because if your pores are open, a lot of different things will enter. So this is DIY. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something from it. So if whenever you can, you do this DIY, post, make a video and tag me on it. I'll gladly repost it. Okay, whenever you're making it, do it, tag me, and be sure I will repost it. And ask your any question in the comment section. Bye.